If you're looking at buying an Olfa knife, here's our 3 best sellers, okay? I want to quickly run through what the differences are among the 3 choices I have in my hand. Let me start off with these 2. These are the stainless steel models. There's the SVR2 and the SVR1. You'll notice that the ends are different, okay? This one has a slanted end, good for right-handed installers. This one has a slanted end on both sides, good for a right-handed installer and a left-handed installer. They both have a metal end that you can pull out and tear off the blades. Metal seems to be more durable than plastic. Some knives are plastic at the end. This one, these blades have sections that can be torn off, of course, with these ends. So when you click them, you know, these knives equal 1 click per blade. So that's the classic style. This is what people have been using to install window film for years. But you can also add this to your collection. This is an exact same knife as the SVR2 because of the end. They're identical on the end. It's just this one has a sleeve around it. Some people like the bulkier feel. Some people like the fact that it has some color on it that might identify this knife as having a different style blade. Some people may put a stainless steel blade in one or a carbon in the other, and they don't want to get them confused. But this one also has the half click feature, so there's 2 clicks per blade, and also the very end of this that you use to pull off and tear off the blades is plastic. That doesn't mean that it's bad, it's just it's got a different feel. Some people like metal, some people like plastic, but a lot of people love this knife because of the features that it has. So these are the 3 choices that we have. Maybe buy all 3 or buy your favorites.